Hey guys, so in this video you will be learning she bugging dance from the scratch, from the very beginning to the end. The full tutorial is here. So let's go. The first step is like we are freestyling. The short is I got a crazy na. So that much portion we are freestyling. So you can do whatever you want. So we can do like crazy, like na 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 na. And the first step is, I know you guys have too much difficulty in learning this step, Buggin, but it's actually really easy. Just follow me, okay? So what you have to do is just try to jump, like just like this: right leg, my left leg, right leg, left leg, okay? Like this: right leg up, left leg up, right leg up, left leg up. Just run, okay? Just try to run in a circular motion like this. Do it with me, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, try to do that for 10 to 20 times. Okay, then try to do that same running in one place itself, like one place. Like do it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have to notice that when I lift my right leg, my left leg is going little bit back. Okay, when I lift my left leg, my right leg is going little bit back, like this: 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the third portion is you have to add kick to this step. Okay, then only this step will be complete. Okay, so what we were doing is like this, right? Now we have to add a kick to it, like this: 1 2 3 4. Okay, and you have to practice this like 10 to 20 times. You will get it. And now the hands part. For hands, you can do whatever you want. So I'm doing like, when I kick the right leg, my left hand will be like this: 1. And when I kick my left leg, my right hand will be like this: 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that. Okay, so what we have to do is you have to come to the front when we are doing this step, like 1 2 3 4, like that. Okay, so in the actual song, crazy, she buggy, tak 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 tak. So there are 4 steps. Okay, only 4 steps, like 1 2 3 4. That's our first step, only 4 times. Okay, so next step is like this one. This seems difficult, but you can also practice this and you can learn it easily. Okay, so let's go. First, take your right hand, take your right leg, just lift it up like this. Okay, then place it here. Okay, again lifting my right leg, place it in here and twisting like this, twisting like to the right side. Okay, so lifting, placing, twisting. Okay, again lifting, placing, twisting. Okay, so do look like 1 2 3. Now my left leg is like, when I lift my right leg and placing, and by twisting my right leg, my left leg should go like this. Okay, so 1 2 3. Now the most important part is we have to jump to the left side. Okay, how? You have to jump using like your left leg. So like you should be doing like this: 1, like I am raising my right leg and jumping. Okay, and I'm landing on my left leg, so it should look like this. Okay, again like this. Okay, so from the beginning: 1 2 3. So in this twisting itself, at the same time this left leg should go. Okay, so 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, then jumping 4. So 1 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this jump you have to make a slight jump only. So when you practice, you can make it as a long jump, but when you practice more and more, you get the flow, then you can reduce the jump and it should look like this only. Okay, so our from the beginning, very beginning, we can count. So 5, 6, 7, go. She buggy, 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 buggy. 1, 2, 3, tack, tack. There is 2 beats in the song like tack, tack. So you have to take your right hand and left hand and do it like 1, 2. Okay, so it should look like buggy, 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 tack, 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 tack. Then you have to do the same first step but go backwards. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So you got it right. So again from the top, do it with me. Crazy, buggy, 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 tack, 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 buggy, 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 buggy. So it should be like 1, 2, 3. In the 3, you have to do tack, tack. Okay, but at the same time, you should not stop the legs. You should go on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, tack, tack. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the next step, moving on to the next step. The next step is like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy. Just take your right leg, kick it, place, and take your left leg back. Now kick the left leg, place it, take the right leg back. So should be like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a relatively simple step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, take your right leg up and twist like this. Okay, so it will look like this. She buggy, 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 tack, 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 buggy, 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 tack, 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 tack. That beat, tack, tack, you have to do that. So tack, tack. Now you have to do buggy, 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 buggy. It's the last and final step. So it's very simple. Take your right leg, go upward like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, should hop on the right leg up, left leg. We have to hop 1, 2, 3, 4. And now take your hands and do it like a circular motion. Okay, so together 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the whole steps. Okay, so from the very beginning we can do again. So 5, 6, 7, go. I got a craziness. Buggy, 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 buggy. Tack, 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 tack. Buggy, 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 buggy. Tack, 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 tack. Okay, from tack, tack, like buggy, 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 buggy. That's it. Okay, so now do it like in a fast manner. So in the original speed. Let's do it, okay? I got a crazy bug, 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 bug. That's it. So practice more, and I'm 100% sure that you will get it. Okay, just practice, practice, practice. I will see you on the next video. Bye.